Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the lesson factors and multiples. Now coming to the properties of HCF and LCM. We have already learnt how to find out the HCF and LCM. Now we will see what is the relationship between them and the properties. The HCF of a given number is not greater than any of the numbers. So whenever you find out the HCF of two numbers, it will be not greater than any of the numbers. Two or more. Okay. HCF of 5 and 15. It is 5. HCF of 12 and 18. It is 6. So if you find out the HCF of 5 and 15, it will be 5. And for 12 and 18, it will be 6. It is not more than the given numbers. It might be the same or less. Okay. Now, LCM of the given numbers is not smaller than any of the numbers. LCM is not smaller. HCF is not greater. So the LCM of 5 and 15 is 15 and the LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. So here the LCM is equal to one of the number or it might be greater. As in 12 and 18 it will be 36. So hope you understood these two concepts. So the HCF will be not greater than any of the two given numbers and the LCM is not smaller than any of the given numbers. Now, the third property, HCF of a given number is a factor of their LCM. So if you find out the HCF of the given numbers and the LCM of the given numbers, you will see that HCF is always a factor of the LCM. See, HCF of 16 and 12, if you find, it will be 4. LCM of 16 and 12 will be 48. Now 4 is a factor of 48. 4 12s are 12 4s are 48, isn't it? So 4 is a factor of the LCM. Hope you understood this one also. Now coming to the fourth, LCM of the given numbers is a multiple of their HCF. The reverse. HCF is a factor of the LCM and LCM is the multiple of the HCF. So HCF of 16 and 12 is 4. LCM of 16 and 12 is 48. Okay. Now LCM 48 is a multiple of HCF 4. Isn't it? It is a multiple. 4 12s are 48. Now coming to the fifth property, HCF of two numbers is one of the number, then LCM is the greater number. So if two numbers are given, in case HCF is one of the number, that will be the smaller, isn't it? Then LCM will be the other, that is the greater number. So HCF of 5 and 15 is 5. Then LCM is 50. You can find out. Take out the HCF and take out the LCM and then you can see the relation like this only. Now, HCF of co-prime numbers is always 1. Co-prime numbers, meaning it has got only one factor, that is 1. So, 5 and 9 are co-primes, then HCF is also 1. LCM of co-prime numbers is always the product of the numbers. So to find out the LCM of any two co-primes, then just multiply the two numbers, you will get 5 and 9, it is 45. 5 9s are 45. no need of doing the LCM, that method and all, no need. Directly multiply, you will get the LCM. Now coming to the last property, which is very important for the calculation. The product of HCF and LCM of two numbers is equal to the product of the numbers. So two numbers are given and you find out the HCF, you find out the LCM, multiply the HCF and LCM, the answer will be the product of the given numbers. So HCF of 9 and 12 is 3 and LCM of 9 and 12 is 36. Now if you find out the product of HCF and LCM and the product of the two given numbers, it will be equal. Product of 9 and 12, the numbers, 12 nines are 108. Product of HCF and LCM, HCF is 3 and LCM is 36. Multiply, 3 6 are 18, 3 3 are 9 plus 1 10. Both are equal. Is it clear? So we'll recollect again. HCF of 2 or any 2 or more numbers is not greater than any of the numbers. 2 या 3 नंबर के HCF फाइंड आउट करो. कभी कभी HCF छोटा नंबर रह सकता है, नहीं तो दोनों नंबर से छोटा है. इधर 5 and 15 का 5, that is a smaller number. 12 and 18 का 6, दोनों नंबर से छोटा. LCM of the given numbers is not smaller than any of the given numbers. HCF छोटा है और LCM बड़ा है. 5 and 15 का LCM 15, इधर बड़ा नंबर LCM बना. LCM of 12 and 18 is 36, दोनों से बड़ा है. Now third property, HCF of a given numbers is a factor of the LCM. HCF, highest common factor, isn't it? It is a factor of the LCM. जो दोनों नंबर का LCM है उसका फैक्टर. अभी HCF of 12 and 16 is 4. LCM of 16 and 12, it is 48. मतलब 4 is a factor of 48. 4 how much are 48? 48 is exactly divisible by 4. That is why 4 is a factor of 48. और इसका reverse LCM is the multiple of the HCF. HCF 4 है तो 48 is the LCM. 4 12s are 48. ठीक है, LCM lowest common multiple. Now HCF of the two numbers, if one of the number is the HCF, then the other number will be the LCM. जैसे कि इधर 5 and 15 में HCF is 5, then the other number 15, it will be the LCM. और को प्राइम नंबर्स के HCF हमेशा 1 ही रहता है. और LCM ऑफ 2 को प्राइम नंबर्स, दोनों को प्राइम नंबर रहेंगे तो LCM फाइंड आउट करने का जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर्स, इट इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू नंबर्स. और लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी है HCF इंटू LCM is equal to the product of the two numbers. 9 and 12 का HCF 3 है, LCM 36 है. तो 3 into 36 is 108 और 9 into 12 is also 108. ये प्रॉपर्टी को हम LCM HCF फाइंड आउट करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, we'll understand in the worksheet. Now coming to The example 9, find HCF and LCM of 25 and 65. 25 and 65 इसके HCF एंड LCM को फाइंड आउट करो. ओके, तो लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी हम क्या बोले? द HCF इंटू LCM इज इक्वल टू द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू नंबर्स. सो फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट द HCF. फाइंड HCF of 25 and 65. You remember the continued division method, isn't it? So 65 and divide by 25. See, 25 twos are 50. 5 minus 0, 5. 1 remain. Now 25 will be the dividend. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. So 15 ones are 15. Then 5 minus 5 0. 2 minus 1 1. Now 15, take it inside. 10 ones are 10. 5 remain. Now 10 goes inside. 5 twos are 10. So which is the HCF? 5 is the HCF. So HCF of 25 and 65 is equal to 5. Okay. Now use the property HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. HCF कितना मिला? 5. LCM मालूम नहीं है, फाइंड आउट करने का. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स. विच आर द टू नंबर्स? फर्स्ट नंबर इज 25, सेकेंड नंबर इज 65. Now LCM is equal to 25 into 65 divide by, इधर मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो 5 को इस तरफ लेकर आने के वक्त वो डिवाइड. याद रखो 5 into LCM. सो LCM इज इक्वल टू द राइट हैंड साइड में जो भी है डिवाइड बाय 5. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So you got LCM is equal to 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 31, 32. So answer HCF how much? Is equal to 5 and LCM is equal to 325. Understood? So this is the method to find HCF and LCM. दोनों जब पूछा जाता है तो ये प्रॉपर्टी यूज करने का है. फर्स्ट HCF फाइंड आउट करो, फिर LCM by using the property. Now example 10, HCF of two numbers is given. HCF is equal to how much? It is 16. Their product is, so product of two numbers is equal to 6400. नंबर्स नहीं दिए, डायरेक्टली प्रोडक्ट दिया है, तो फाइंड आउट द LCM. फॉर्मूला LCM is equal to how much? HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So HCF कितना दिए हैं? 16. LCM फाइंड आउट करने का है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स 6400. सो LCM इज इक्वल टू 6400 upon 16. Now 16 का टेबल में 16 ones are 16, 16 fours are 64 and 2 zeros. So answer is 400. So answer LCM is equal to 400. Is it clear? So hope you have understood the properties and the examples related to the HCF and LCM. Okay? Thank you. Bye.